today showing my makeup. Let's try this on my palm. Let's try this lipstick. Oh my gosh, it's oh my gosh. Yes, that's what it's saying. Let's try the other lipstick, shall we? Or later we're gonna do the other lipstick. Let's do this. This is usually for here. I thought it's like there. But actually, there's nail polish. Let me show you. Yeah. I'm gonna try the pink one. I love the pink one. My favorite color is blue, but I like this pink one. This is like kidding. Okay, that's enough. Oh, it's cute. It's like a color, but this pink is like not seeing. You see that? It's really cute. It's really cute though. You see that? You see that? You see that there? You don't see it, no? That means it's not seeable because I'm wearing a little bit. Because it's nighttime. And this is for your toes. Disgusting. And I usually do this in the morning. And this is eyeshadow. What we gonna use, guys? What is this? Oh my gosh, it fell down. Mommy, it fell down. Butang it back. Butang it back. I'm butang it back first. Okay. This is gonna be cute. Oh my gosh. This head finished my palm. And which one you want to choose, guys? Pay in the comments. Pay in the comments if you want it. Next time I will see the comments and my mom is gonna tell me, let's do the shimmering gold, guys. Or which one? Which I'm gonna do? This one or this one? Huh? Maybe let's do this one. It's cute. Oh my gosh. To get this. This one is mommy. I can do this. What? You guys shimmering gold. This is for your eyes if you go out with a friend. No? And this lipstick is for me, and I was going out for my friends because we always pay something. And this is like the, oh my gosh, I can get the small ones and the big one because only tomorrow. What's this? This is stickers. Oh, I can put them somewhere. This is guys, there's an eye. Look. Mata. There's a mata. Oh my gosh. Now let's butang at bayek. Oh my gosh. Bayek. Let's butang this bayek. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so... Yes, that's it for today, guys. Okay. Oh my gosh, my stickers. This is really hard. Mommy, you can butang this back. You can butang it. Bye. See you tomorrow, guys.